Hello everyone, this is Charles Phillips with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to show you a really nice feature with these winter months coming up upon us. Is the actual heated seats that come on when you remote start the vehicle. So to change those settings, I'm going to show you how to do that right here in our Chevrolet IntelliLink system. So what we're going to do is go over here to Settings, select Comfort and Convenience. Oh, take that back. Scroll down one to Remote Lock, Unlock, and Start. There it is. So Remote Start Auto Heated Seats. So that feature is turned on right now. To turn it off when it gets warmer, just simply tap that, toggles it on and off. So there it is, guys, the Remote Start Auto Heated Seats in the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Come see us here at McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people.